What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Pocket Option to your bank account in 2025. Step 1. Sign into your Pocket Option account. Log into your Pocket Option account and make sure it's fully verified by uploading the necessary documents like a valid ID, proof of address, and payment method verification. Note that withdrawals are only allowed on verified accounts. Step 2. Go to the Withdrawal section. Click on the main menu, then head to Finance, then Withdrawal to access the withdrawal options. Pick Bank Transfer as your method. From the list of available withdrawal methods, select Bank Transfer. If this isn't available, check your withdrawal settings to add or update it. Step 4. Enter the amount and bank details. Type in the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal via bank transfer is usually $50, but always confirm this in your dashboard. Add your bank account details carefully to avoid processing issues or delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit your request. Review your details, then click Confirm to finalize the withdrawal. You might receive a confirmation email after submission. Then finally, Step 6. Wait for the funds to arrive. Withdrawals are generally processed within 1 to 3 business days, but the time may vary depending on your account verification status and bank processing times. Compliance and important notes. Always provide accurate and honest information to avoid problems with your withdrawal. Be transparent that processing times depend on factors like account status, bank policies, and public holidays. This tutorial is for educational purposes only and follows platform policies and legal standards. And that will be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.